Hello, good morning mga kaibigan. There is bird get in our house. Look, these two cats, they want to catch it, but they cannot. It's very tight, this corner. So I don't know, maybe I feel pity also for the bird. So I will catch it and I will let to go out. Masaram, these two, they will feel what we call this, they will be upset na that they like to eat it, the bird. See? See now what she's doing. Look, she's trying hard to get it. You see? Oof, oof, oof. This is the bird. It's very weak now, I think. Natatakot din siya eh. Natatakot din siya. You see? Look at the birds. Look at